Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I create all kinds of pink, beauty, and fashion videos. If you're into any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back with a very exciting video. I am going to be doing an unboxing on a new Louis Vuitton handbag from the website Luxalent, and they reached out to me and I picked out a beautiful purse. I can't wait to open it. And on their website you'll be able to find many different brands, designer and luxury brands, and basically they have everything. They are all pre-owned and pre-loved, so everything on their website is literally authentic and it comes super fast. It is shipped from the US, and I'm just very excited because I picked out a handbag that I have been eyeing for a very long time, but I just never got it just because, I don't know, for some reason it was just back and forth with different bags. But I finally found a bag on their website, so I'm going to do a true unboxing. I haven't even opened it yet. I literally got it in the mail today. So let's go ahead and open this box. I will leave their website down below so you guys can check it out, but they have so many different styles, different brands. They have Gucci, they have Louis Vuitton, they have Chanel. They have like so many, like I couldn't decide which purse to get. Okay, so let's see what is inside and how they packaged it. So this came priority mail. It came pretty quick and they bubble wrapped it. There is some tissue paper, and then the handbag is in here. It is really nicely wrapped, so it definitely comes very well wrapped and protected with bubble wrap, and they have their logo right there. It's Luxalent. Like I said, I'll link it down below. They did include this here. I think it's like a pen, so that was nice of them. So let's go ahead and check it out. And they did include also like a little dust bag. I'm not sure if like all their handbags come with like their original dust bags. I think it's like in the description, but the handbag that I chose did not come with its original handbag. I mean, not a handbag, its own original dust bag. But here it is. It is the Speedy 25. And it's in the Damier Azure, which I've always wanted, and here it is. It's so pretty. I love it, and it's like the perfect size. This does come in multiple sizes. I believe it comes in the Speedy 30 and 35, and I think it also comes like in bigger sizes. But this for me is just perfect. It's like small and it is just so pretty. Like I am so excited with it. The patina on it is really nice. It's like a honey color. And it looks like this. It didn't come with the lock, but everything looks incredible. Like it literally doesn't even look like it's been like pre-owned, other than like the patina being really well taken care of. There's no scratches, no marks, nothing. So let's go ahead and open it. The zipper is really smooth, and I love that they included this in here just to keep the shape of the bag. I actually purchased one of those like organizers to put in here on Amazon, so I'll go get it very briefly just to show you what it looks like. But this is the inside. It's pretty big. I am very excited with this bag. It's so cute. It also comes with like a little mini compartment in there. It does have a little D-ring to hang your keys. Okay, so the date code is in here. And like I said, everything on their website is authentic and it's just so pretty. I really like it. I think it's gorgeous. Sorry for that brief interruption. I had to go and get the organizer that I purchased because I really want to see how the bag looks once I insert it. So I did get this at Amazon. I'll link it below, but it was super affordable. It comes in multiple colors and it's used for the Speedy handbag. All right, this fits perfect. And now you can see the shape of the bag. It does not look all wrinkled up and it doesn't sag, so it's like perfect. So this is like the cutest bag ever. They do have this here. It says returns cannot be accepted if the tag is removed. So you want to make sure that you 100% love the handbag before returning it. I am definitely in love with this bag. I think it's beautiful. It's so pretty and it looks better in person than it did on their website, but I am definitely going to check out their other items because I am really really excited with this bag. So let me show you just very quickly what the bottom looks like. It kind of looks like this, and then the sides, it is like a little bit wrinkled, obviously, from being in the box. Other than that, I think it's in pretty well condition and it's very pretty. So here's a quick look to see how the handbag looks. This one is the Speedy 25. I am 5'6" for reference, and it's small, yet it fits so much in here, and it's just perfect as a little handbag. It's super lightweight. I really love how this bag looks. So one of the great things about shopping pre-loved is that you will find hard to find pieces at an amazing price, and you can't beat that. So definitely check out their website. You will fall in love with all their handbags and everything that they have on their website. I really hope you loved today's unboxing. I'll link everything down below, as well as their website, so you guys can check out all their handbags that they have. They also have shoes and like accessories as well, not just handbags. So definitely give them a try and check out their website. I am very happy with this bag. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.